Hello, my name is Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lights. And in this session, we are going to discuss about digestion. Which one of the following structures is not part of the alimentary canal? A. Duodenum. B. Mouth. C. Liver. D. Stomach. It is C. The liver is not part of the alimentary canal. Name two digestive glands. Salivary gland, gastric gland, and pancreas. What name is given to the muscular contraction which moves food along the alimentary canal? Peristalsis. What do digestive enzymes do for food? Digestive enzymes dissolve food, make food soluble, break large insoluble food molecules into smaller soluble molecules. What are the final digestion products of Part A, proteins, Part B, fats, Part C, starch? Part A, proteins are digested to amino acids. B, fats are digested to fatty acids and glycerol. And C, starch is digested to glucose. How does chewing food help to speed up digestion? Chewing reduces food to portions small enough to be swallowed and increases the surface area of the food for digestive enzymes to act on. Name the enzyme present in saliva and say what type of food it acts on. The enzyme in saliva is salivary amylase and it acts on starch. Are the contents of stomach A. Acid, B. Alkaline, C. Neutral? A. The stomach contents are acids. What class of food is partially digested in the stomach? Proteins are partially digested in the stomach. What is the name of the enzyme in gastric juice? The enzyme in gastric juice is pepsin. What types of enzymes are produced by the pancreas? The pancreas produces enzymes which act on proteins, proteases, starch, amylase, and fat, lipase. Into which part of the alimentary canal does the pancreas secrete pancreatic juice? The pancreas releases pancreatic juice into the duodenum. What is the function of bile in digestion? Bile emulsifies fats or breaks fats into small droplets. State 3 ways in which the absorbing surface of the small intestine is increased. The absorbing surface of the small intestine is increased by A. Being very long, B. Having internal folds, C. Having villi, D. Microvilli on the epithelial cells. Into what body fluids do A. Glucose, B. Fatty acids, glycerol, C. Amino acids pass? A. Glucose and C. Amino acids enter the bloodstream. B. Fatty acids and glycerol may enter the blood or the lymph. The blood from the intestine goes first to the dash before entering the general circulation. If the glucose concentration in the blood is above a certain level, it is changed to dash and stored. Glucose, which passes into the general circulation, is taken up by the body cells and used to provide dash. If there are excess amino acids in the blood from the intestine, the liver converts them to dash, which is stored, and dash, which is excreted by the kidneys. The blood from the intestine goes first to the liver before entering the general circulation. If the glucose concentration in the blood is above a certain level, it is changed to glycogen and stored. Glucose, which passes into the general circulation, is taken up by the body's cells and used to provide energy. If there are excess amino acids in the blood from the intestine, the liver converts them to glycogen, which is stored, and urea is excreted by the kidney. What does the liver do to A. Hormones, B. Alcohol, C. Vitamin A. The liver A converts hormones to inactive compounds. B. Oxidizes alcohol to carbon dioxide and water. And C. Stores vitamin A. Name the parts or the structures labeled A to I. A is a gullet or esophagus. B is the stomach. C is the liver. D is pyloric sphincter. E is bile duct. F is gallbladder. G is pancreatic duct. H, the duodenum. I, the pancreas. Hello friends. Thank you very much for participating in Biology Lights. I encourage you to subscribe.